Who is it?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat? I think it's Christmas time. But you can come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside, come into my crib. Woo! I'm gonna close my door because it was full of mosquito. You know what you want?
Christmas cake and cereal.
That's all?
And
You only come for Christmas cake and cereal?
and food.
That's all? So no house tour.
Oh, and the
I
house
can
tour.
bypass.
And the house tour.
Guys, just nearly ruined on a one chance. Forget the house tour. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. You know, come more light, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Before I get into it, Merry Christmas guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I don't want to drink up on the cereal, I eat up on the cake and all of the good meat, everything. But normally on the 25th of December, when I get like, may I put it down in the kitchen. Goat, pork, chicken, everything. But no, I not done none of that this Christmas. I didn't do any cooking. And I probably see a curry stain, but we went to Jason's mom and we ate dinner. Anyways guys, I'm finally gonna give you guys a house tour, and since it's December, Christmas day, now are the best time because change out everything, renovate is the right word, babe? Well, decorate.
Yeah.
The decor is different, and I just want to give you guys an official house tour. I'm gonna say what me did you know, put together everything not really come true, but I want to show you guys because we don't want December 25th for pass. But as I was saying, Merry Christmas guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting us. We really and truly appreciate it. And if you're new, Jason and I will live together. That's Razorblade TV. You can go over to his YouTube channel and check him out. Plus we have a family channel together because you know big things are going over there. So but yeah, we'll live together, and this is our little house. This is a house or home?
Same thing.
Alright, so this is our little house for now, and we just want it to be comfy as possible, so we just put it together real nice so we can, you know, feel like we are one little hotel. When we can't go hotel, we just feel like our house is a, you know, hotel. But yeah, enough of that. I go here with Razorblade officer because I'm the behind the camera.
Welcome to our home this Christmas. It's good to see y'all. No, we didn't prepare any Christmas dinner this year. What a bummer.
Sad.
So we don't get no food, but still you can come get the house tour
And cake.
and cake, and we have some juice here. So and I like you come with no dry throat reasoning. You know, get to enjoy yourself. See, we have Netflix, but no chill allowed. You see me? But I can't get.
I approve.
But I can't get the Netflix. So take it away.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get into the house tour now, and I did promise you know, in one video, say whatever I buy, once me can remember when me get it, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So that's just basically what we're gonna run through now. As me said, me did order some stuff, and some of them then come all now, so me literally just put what I have together, and we'll go just show you what me do. And can't take all of the credit. Before me get into it, I cannot take all the credit because Razorblade stay up with me and get the dusting and the sweeping and all of them stuff out the way. And my cousin Joel, when I watch this and this not his name, but him literally come and clean the windows again. And as me not really do the deep cleaning of the house, me do the whole decor and stuff like that. And babe, babe, thank you so much, because even though you drop asleep on me, you drop asleep on me and Joel eventually drop asleep on me, you come and you make a sign us act up just for, you know, help me. I really appreciate that. So guys, this is not me taking all the credit. I mostly just do the decor. In regards to wiping and sweeping and stuff, they got that out the way, which that's the hardest part, so I'm happy about that. But let us just get into the video. Alright guys, so we're starting off with the living area. As you guys can see, the theme is black, white, gray and gold this December. I think they look good together. Normally people would pair it with silver, but I just think the whole look is a vibe. But let me just start off with over here. So I'm gonna have some fur black gray cushion, and I got that white one. And guys, all of these cushions are from DPD Variety Store, so you can go over to Instagram and check them out. Also that throw blanket, I got that from DPD Variety Store. These cushions, I don't remember where I bought them, but I bought them in Clarendon. This I did this. I made a little, you know, style, because I think it looks really good. So I just tie the bow on it. Guys, DIY on stuff them, because literally people that sell this for your arm and a leg. It was like that. Show them. So it was literally like this. I'm gonna put on this, because a girl I try one thing. I'm gonna just put them over here, so with the throw blanket. So this is a vibe. Go up to the curtains. So these curtains, I bought them a long time ago. I bought them from, what's your name, babe? On Instagram. That's Lisa, our business page.
I can't remember what name
I'm gonna have it on the back of my head, you know. So it's Miss Extra Lisa on Instagram.
Okay, yeah, that's her.
We're gonna insert a little screenshot, but I got all my curtains from her. Well, not really all, but I got these from her. I got the black ones, you see?
Yeah.
I got the black ones from her, and you know my sheer curtain in the middle have that good one now. I just feel like say it would have looked so good with the theme. So guys, tell me if it's a vibe. I love it. And guys, trust me, I iron all of the curtain them, and them they never did the easiest thing. The funniest thing, I recorded all of those, and because time catch up on me, I just give another house tour, but I iron all of the curtain them. That was a hassle. I remember me telling us like, guys, me not put up no more curtain if me not iron them. So I think I did a good job. Then I have the little, what them call that, ottoman. I have the ottoman right here, the black and the gold. I just think it complement the living area so well. So I just put it around here, and then over that side, you know, the TV with the little Christmas vibe I go on it, and same TV stand with the same, you know, decor, nothing too much. I really wanted to change this TV stand, never end up happening, but one day at a time. Savings do all of this. So you have Jason's game, the remote, the little plant them, and just the TV. So this side is the dinner table. So I ordered some place mats on Amazon, and guys, when them come, them never did really look so 100. Them never feel good either, and I just never use it. It never compliment the team, none at all. So I got these last minute. I think they look really nice. I got them at Maxi, so you can check out Maxi. This table runner, Jesus, cost an arm and a leg. I got this at Faithful Decor. I don't remember the place name, but it's in Kingston on Tropical Plaza. I think a Faithful Decor something. Guys, when you hear the name, you can just go over to Instagram and type it until you find it, because I don't know if I remember to insert everything. But this is how it's looking. The bottom, you see it have like a suede material, and this detailing right here, it's really nice. I love it. I didn't want gold. I wanted something with white and gold, but this may end up getting, so I just take it because never want to run out. And I remember them reindeer here from last year, still have them. One of them is now work good, but still have them. I got this cute vase at Maxi department store. It's so cute. So it's black. You can remove it from the stand, put it back. And also I got this plant from the same place I got this. I think it's Faithful Home Decor. So it's Faithful Home Decor. Yeah. So I got this plant. I think it's fluffy and nice. You want to fix up and show the green leaves. But for now, as I say, just want to get the house tour out the way. And the curtains on this side, you know, it's the same thing. So right here I have a candle. Guys, really and truly, this is from my business. Really and truly, I wanted a vanity tray. Never end up with no vanity tray, so I'm just like the candle here. It smells so good. It's a vibe. so I just have it. I want burning at the house. This right here, I'm just going to put some chips in there, really and truly fruits and whatever. If you go in there and not have any fruits, so some chips. So everything is black. This, the napkin thingy, black as well. The microwave, as you know, the microwave bin there's a little cake in the way, but ignore them. And then over to that side, oh, I have little black and something tablecloth I go on there, so that's not it though. So on this side, I'm not gonna realize few little things new. So yeah, we could get into it. So I have a coffee maker. I got that as a gift. Well, I don't really get it as a gift. Mommy gave it to me, so I assume it's a gift, but she just give me like, you can't have it. And I think it just blend in so well. So you know, we're gonna drink some coffee, and I have some clean dishcloth on top of there because Jason love trouble the one them on the stove, and we just want him to have them one day to himself. We're not here trouble them. And I have this wine rack right here with some wine because the girl love wine these days. Yeah. And I have the little something when we get down a mommy for all of the real OG them. I don't know this year got that from mommy's house. And then right here I have two little dirty plates in the sink, but ignore them for now. So this is my dish rack. I'm so in love with this. I love this because when I wash the dishes, the water drain right into the sink, and I love that. So I just have little, you know, one and two little stuff. I'm gonna pack it up with everything. The one I had before that have all of my extra plates and stuff them under this. Show them, babe. But yeah, under here so I have all of the extra plate and stuff them with that dish drainer. But this is the dish rack, so you have the part for the cup, the bowl, and the plate. Is that right? Bowl and plate are two different things. Yeah, and I know I said something there. I know I said the cutting board for go here, so but I don't want it here, so I just catch the knife in there. Ignore it. Things for the spoon. The something them for wash the plate, and you know, I hang up a little things them run back. Really nice. Got that from DPD variety store as well. Then up there, so now have the nice kitchen window curtain. I am so in love with these because I think them just match the theme so perfect. And guys, as me say, your girl iron out everything. So that's that. To this side, just the fridge there right here. So now I'm gonna show you now. I want to do a video where I show you how I organize the fridge. I ordered some fridge bins, so them they'll come soon. So ignore the fridge for now. So we could go in at the favorite part, my favorite part of the house. Babe, is this your favorite part?
No.
Where is your favorite
back
part?
room.
The back room?
Yeah.
Anyways, I just a man cave, but yeah. So I'm excited for this. Guys, I mean, you know, let me show you. So just take a look in there before the lights turn on. And then if you can't see nothing. Oh, them I see? Alright, I'm turning it on. So start with this side. So on this side, I have that plant. My aunt gave me this plant for the longest while. When me and Jason just moving together, she gave me this plant and I really love it. Even though the flowers them look like them dead, I don't think that them are real, but I really love it. Just think it match the whole decor nice. Come back up, babe. Show them the mat on the floor. Now see it? So it's dark brown. Yeah, really nice mat. And it complements the plant. And then show them over to the, you know, to the bed. You know, notice the little color scheme. You know, notice the plant are blending back and all of that. So 3 little cushion on my white sheet. I know it crushed like callaloo, but I'm so sorry, guys. But yeah, this is how I'm going for the bed with the little blanket right here. So this is spread on the bed. But really and truly, me just want to get the video out of the way. So I'm just throw it over the bed. But yeah, really nice, really comfy. And if you notice, the blanket on the bed look match the curtain there. So this is the little color scheme we are going, the beige and the white and the, yeah. And then over this side Up here, so same thing. We didn't want a vanity tray, never get a vanity tray. I'm gonna put a little candle right here. So guys, just a take time get the things them. When we get the vanity tray, then we're gonna put all of them are goodies. Yeah, see? All of them are goodies in there. Some little room spray and the next candle. This digged up on the table, so I'm just, you know, find next style. We need a plant for this. I'm gonna get one of the same plant. What up on the kitchen, the dinner table. And this thing right here, I really love it. Kim gave me this and I love it so much. So everywhere it can go in at the house, I just take it catch there because I don't want to board the wall. Guys, I know our home, I rent it, and really and truly I just don't want to board up the place. Even though it can put you out and whatever you guys call it, I just don't want to board up the place. I know it would be a vibe to have my stuff them hang up, but principle, and I am big on that. Plus Jason now allow it to happen either. And then on this side is my workstation. Ignore this, I have an unboxing to do from Waterbody JA, so I just put it here so as a reminder. But I have the what you call this now, I don't remember the mat name, for the same thing with the ground right here, so to match the whole theme. My laptop, my camera, my tripod, not tripod, my ring light, my lamp when I want to use the bright light, and my journal, and just my little things them right over the corner here. On this side, just my little perfume them. Me and Jace perfume them. Guys, I really never want the dress to look so full, but it end up to look so full, so that. Over here so now I just have my little things them for my ear and all of them stuff there, whole heap of little stuff. And I got this bag for my birthday and it end up full of makeup stuff, lip gloss, eyeliner, pencil, all the bare things. So I say, you know what, it's a good idea to just put some makeup stuff in there. Really and truly, I'm going to clear it underneath my work deck so I can put them under there and take them off. But for now, just I catch them there. In regards to the bathroom, I don't know much to the bathroom. I just want to know so the bathroom clean. I wanted to do whole heap of stuff to the bathroom that never get to happen. But it's a show because it's a house tour. Really, I'm not do nothing to the bathroom. But not gonna lie to you now. So just have up normal shower curtain, a towel this to wipe your hand, normal mat, and yeah, nothing. Just a show because as I say, it's just a house tour. I'm showing what the bathroom look like. I want to take out this and put some shelf and stuff like that, but that never gets to happen because as you see today the 25th and yesterday December starts, so that never happened. And in the back room, this is Jason's man cave. So I really and truly never want girly talk, but two little teddy bear up on the bed. This are where Jason get all work done and stuff. I didn't do much to this room. I just change the curtain them. Can't show them, babe. But just change the curtain them, change the sheet. Over here, so just put on one bed skirting and I just spread the bed. Really and truly, I don't do nothing. Just my work stuff them over the stuff to start my business. My stuff them over the stuff to start my business. The chair them and a whole lot. Ignore them chair up and the clothes on the chair. We'll have something to do tomorrow. But yeah, nothing much never do to the room here. And then down here, so just Jason look with stuff them. Everything what they find is a Jason stuff them. All of Jason shoes them. Since them are clocks, them did have to cap up eye. So all of Jason clocks them under there. So probably it's a clocks collection under this because the next the rest of stuff them with shoes literally full. So it's a clocks collection. And back to the living area. So guys, this is really it. I recorded so much, but I mean I'm just giving you the tour and done. This for everybody who complain about the breaker box, me not ignore, you know. Me literally I try to get this blow up. I want this in the living area to put over it. Jason did carry it for go blow it up and him said them never have the machine. What them say, babe?
Oh, the place which power stops so them couldn't do it.
Okay, so probably because of the machine and stuff, so I just catch it up there so for remind me so I need to blow it up so I can cover the breaker box. But this is it, guys. I hope you're loving the new look. Yeah, comment and tell me how me do. Grade me, do whatever you want to do. I don't know if Jason is showing them on the floor, but that's not really necessary. Basically, me have up the black mat underneath the table. As you know, have black mat in the kitchen, and you know, I have to show them, baby. It's cool, but you know, I'm just trying to like match. So, babe, how you love everything?
Everything's alright to me.
Because some of the stuff them in the house, you're not even they know some have them.
Like what?
Like this, but I think you ever see the table runner and some of the little stuff them. I mean, and you go buy them, but how you think them look together, like
it really complement each other. They really complement each other.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how you think me do?
Give it a 10, you know, because I can't design.
You give it a 10 because you can't design?
Yeah, if in order for me critique it, me if I can do better, I can do better. This look good, this look like you could have done better.
Okay. So you comfy?
Of course.
Good. That's the best part. Me never did care if me never care if Jason want to like how the house look. Me know whatever me do to the house, he would like it and he would come in and he would tell me how he feel about it. But really, me did just want it to have like that look the like, you know, two grown people living at the house. Me never want it to look like I want girl living here. As I walk in here, I say, Bamba, me don't say I want girl living here. Me they just want both of you walk in and feel like, alright, this is home, the team nice. If Jason don't want to snap, like, you know, to one of them look tune, if not if you turn in a one pink background, if not if you turn in a one purple background. We just didn't want the thing for just, what the correct word? What the correct word? But you want it to look
organized?
No, but you want it to just look when both are we agree to it, like both are we comfortable with it and it work out for both gender. Neutral?
Would have a mutual look, I don't know.
I know, but me just want it to have that look. Them, they just want both of us to just, you know, enjoy living in this house, and it not look too girl and it not look too much like boy.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's that. That's really it, guys. So, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye, guys.